all my teachers and my dear friends. Today we are going to learn some of the artworks of origami. So let's begin. So first, just take your paper and show me. Just show me your paper, everybody. Yes. Now take your paper and fold it in half like this, corner to corner. And it should look like a rectangle. Show me your rectangle. Just show me your rectangle. Yes, very good. Now just open it and you will get a standing line like this. This standing line. And now just turn your paper like this and fold it in half again. And it will be a rectangle again.
Let them do, Ridan.
I'm taking care of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you open it, you get one standing line, one sleeping line, which you can also say a plus sign. Now, what you do is you see 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners. Just take one and fold it in the middle.
We think children are still making the another sleeping line, Ridan.
Right.
We can't make one more line, beta. Do it in the other way. See, we need 4 lines here. Vihan, Aryan.
So maybe Ridan, you can tell them to show the plus sign first and then move to the next step.
Just show me your plus signs, everybody. Sleeping line and standing line. Yes.
You've done it. Done.
Now, what we have to do is you get 4 corners now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just take one and fold it in the middle. Now it will look. Just wait. I'm just waiting for you. Just do. Those who have done, just show me on your screen.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, very good.
Very good,
Now
Yashik.
what you do is turn your paper like this. Fold another one. Take the corner and fold like this. Here is a corner, fold it like this. And now it will look like a heart shape. I'm just waiting. You just do and show me your heart shape.
Very good, Akriti.
Aryan, very good.
Very
Okay,
good.
Ahan.
Going.
Yes, Akshar,
Samrit,
like
fold
this.
it, beta. Samrit, only 2 folds, बच्चे. One open कर दो अभी. Samrit. Good.
Okay. Now should I move to the next step? Show me thumbs up. Yes, I see lots of people. So now what you do is your heart shape is like this. You just turn your paper and fold another one. Just take the corner and fold it in the middle. And now you should get 1, 2, and 3 triangles.
Yes, Akshar. This is how.
And it can be an envelope shape as well. But just keep in mind, we are not making envelope, we are making a photo frame. Now you do the same thing with this corner.
Naira, are you doing beta? Naira, Nirupam, just show it to us. Oh wow, very good.
Great.
For me,
While you are doing, please get your pictures clicked. Tell your parents to click your pictures.
yes.
Very nice, Shivansh.
Wow.
And now we are halfway done. You will get 1, 2, 3, and 4 triangles. Okay. From these, you see 1, 2, 3, and 4 points in the middle. What you do is just take one and fold it upwards. Just wait, stop what you are doing and see me, see my sheet. The point was like this. I took this and folded with the sleeping line over here.
From a big triangle, you need to make a small triangle. This is how. Look at Ridan's screen.
First, we had 4 big triangles like this, and now we have 1 small and 3 big ones. And now we have to repeat the same thing. आपको यही दोबारा करना है. Look, take the point and fold it upwards. Now there are 1 and 2 small triangles and 1 and 2 big triangles. Now you do the same thing with this point. And the final triangle, this one. Now I am just waiting. If you are done with your model, just show me on your screen. Let me see how all you are done.
Akshar,
Very
so
good,
quick.
Naira.
Principal ma'am is
Naira, very
also
nice.
here. I just saw ma'am here.
Okay.
Very nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let him continue. I would like to speak. Let him continue. Shivansh, please continue.
And now we come to the final step,
Aridhan,
pasting. Now I have a glue stick, but you can take anything you have, Fevi-stick, glue sticks and all. Now you just take this flap and put some glue right here. आपको ये वाली आप just अभी आप खोलो क्या कर रहे हो जो भी आपको you see this line, just put glue up here, only here on the triangle, and paste it like this. We have pasted one of the triangle and we have to do the same thing. Just take the flap, put some glue above the line and paste. There is no need to hurry. I'm just doing it fast. I will be waiting for you to do. Put some glue and paste. Put some glue and paste. Now, those who have done, just show me your model on the screen.
Perfect. Yashika,
Very good,
Ekant, Kavin,
everyone.
Suryaksh, Tashvi. Great. All those who are still doing, yes, you can take some more time and you can continue with it.
Yes, Pascal. Great.
Neha, very good.
Good.
Now it's time to decorate. I'm just decorating it with these stickers, but you can do with many other things like your mother's big bindi, mirrors, and your handmade bronze spirals and buttons as well.
Okay, I think Ojas, Ridan, if you can see Ojas, I think he needs to, I mean, you need to tell him the next step, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So just you just fold your now you've got an envelope shape. You've got an envelope shape. It will look like this with an envelope shape. Just fold the last one as well. Take the corner and fold it into middle. Okay. Now you have four points in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you just take one and fold it upwards. You have this sleeping line over here. Just take the point and fold it like this. Okay. It will look like this. Essay. First we had 4 big triangles and now we have 1 small and 3 big ones. Now do the same thing with the other ones. Take the point and fold it upwards. Take the point, fold it upwards. Take the point, fold it upwards. Oh, just show me your paper if you have done. No. What you do is you have to do this one time only. आपने 2 बार कर दिया है. इसको वन टाइम आपको ऐसे लेना है और ऊपर वाली स्लीपिंग लाइन पे यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है. अभी आपको पेस्टिंग नहीं करनी है, पहले आप सबके साथ करो. जैसे देखो, आप पहले देखो, जिस पॉइंट यू हैव, आपके पास ये पॉइंट है. अब इसे आपको ऐसे ऊपर फोल्ड करना है एंड इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. ऐसे just do yours and show me when you're done.
Lovely, Akriti.
Ridan, you can show the next step now.
Okay, now I've decorated it with stickers. I don't have a photo, so I am just pasting this card right in the middle. Just put some glue here at the back and paste. Look, you can paste your photos in it. Yesterday night, me and my sister were making some of these. We thought, what will we do with all of these? We just converted them into a wall hanging. Look, and decorated it with some stickers and mirrors. And my sister pasted her childhood photo in the middle, as you see. Look. Mother's Day has gone, but Father's Day is coming. You can give him this as a present. It's good idea, है ना?
Wow. Very good,
Now,
Ridan.
everybody enjoying?
Wow, that's
Everybody
nice.
enjoying. Very good.
Just
Wonderful,
show me all
very
your
nice.
models
Samriti.
like this.
Myra, wonderful.
Shraddha,
And
we can have the
I
second
think
activity
Ridan.
afterwards.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ridan, you should wait. Can we start, ma'am?
Very nice.
Can we start, ma'am?
Yes, start. Please start. Shraddha.
Very good,
Somebody
Good
Tashvi.
morning, everyone. With immense pleasure and honor, I welcome our national awardee, Principal cum Director, ma'am, who is an epitome of success and discipline and a source of inspiration. Her vision wisdom, and passion for this school is apparent every time. She is an impactful leader, a versatile personality, and has been motivating our students to grasp the opportunity and enjoy the learnings and strive for success. And the most important thing is that our principal ma'am is the only one who has encouraged us to hold this session and provide this wide platform to Ridan to display his creativity. Thank you, ma'am. I am delighted to welcome our headmistress Indu ma'am, who also has been a symbol of hard work and enthusiasm. I wholeheartedly welcome our primary coordinators Kumud ma'am and Parul ma'am. And I welcome to all my teachers, parents, and dear children. Today, our workshop is on origami. Origami is the art of paper folding. Its name derives from Japanese words ori means folding and kami means paper. This is the most exciting of all paper crafts because everyone loves the magic of turning a piece of paper into something useful. Moreover, it develops fine motor skills, patience, and attention. And I'm feeling really proud to introduce one of our students, Ridan Verma, from class 5F, who's going to take this live workshop to teach origami crafts. Ridan is a proud Jaipurian. His qualities include love for arts and creativity. Recently, he has done some remarkable work in the field of advanced 3D origami. Way back in 2014, he attended a workshop on origami at National School of Drama in New Delhi. That workshop inspired him to carry on the origami art craft, and ever since he mastered and created great origami artworks. Today, he is an origami coach to many aspirants, and his recent coaching to senior classes at Ramjas School is worthy of mention. In this journey, he is supported by his family with constant motivation, time, space, and material supplies as required for origami. Though Ridan is the master of complex and 3D origamis and has been displaying his art in many sessions, but today he is going to teach the simple origami crafts to our little Jaipurians of grade 1. Here I have few images of his fabulous work which I would like to share with you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. These are some crafts. These are complex origami crafts made by him. And this is the most difficult and amazing one, dragon origami. Some more crafts. He attended origami workshop at National School of Drama, New Delhi in 2014, and that was his turning point. He himself conducted one workshop, live session in Ramjas School, New Delhi on 9th May this year for senior children. These are few images which are showing like how children are enjoying and learning this origami craft. Now I would like to invite and request our Honorable Principal cum Director Ma'am to speak a few encouraging and magnetic words for Ridan and our little Jaipurian so that they begin this session with greater energy. Please, ma'am.
So I think it is, it's not Vedant, it's Haridan Verma, right?
Ridan. Ridan.
Shridan.
Ridan. Ridan.
Hridan. Yeah.
Ridan. Yes.
Okay. So what does Hridan means, Hridan? What does your name mean? You need to unmute yourself.
The one with big heart.
Oh, which you have. So sweet. You definitely have a very, very big heart. And, you know, and I think, see, when we were kids, we all learned origami. And, you know, and we all know that it is a Japanese art, and Akira was the one who was supposed to be the grandmaster of origami. And it is he who started origami in 1911, and it's been so many years. And I think it's such a beautiful paper craft activity, which we start from our pre-primary children. And then even, and there is no age for anybody to not play or experiment with this paper and create beautiful pictures, whether it is flowers और इट इज हमने तो सबसे पहले बोट बनाई थी ऑरिगेमी से और हम लोगों ने पानी में उसको चलाया या हम लोग वो बनाते टिप टैप टो दैट वाज आल्सो आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी वर इन स्कूल we used to play with that. So that is my memory of an origami. And I need to say that I'm super impressed by you, the kind of confidence you had, while you were taking this session. And for me, you are a grandmaster of Jaipuriya, and I will forget about what Akira did. And I will always remember of what this boy with a big heart did. And now you have to make a heart for me. Yeah. So, you have to make a heart for me. All right. In origami. Right. So, yeah. So we will. So I think it was a wonderful session, though I joined a little late because I was having a session with my class 12th children. They are very anxious with their board exams and all that. So, and they had endless questions, which I thought I should keep answering till they, So, and I'm so happy that I could make it on time to be a part of this session. Otherwise, I would have really missed something. So I would like to be your student. Yeah. And next time, whenever you do a session, I'll also keep my paper and everything ready. And I hope he takes one more session with our teachers also.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. We'll do that.
Thank you. And I think these are the children who are change agents, confident and change agents and creative. I think that's what we are looking for. And that's a vision also of our school, to create change agents. And I think he is one of them. So hats off to you. Your chocolate is due. So whenever we'll see if we can physically send it to you, or if you stay in Vasundhara, it will be easier for Indu ma'am and me to send it to you across home. And otherwise, whenever school reopens, your chocolate is in my room. So love you. God bless you. Thank you, Indu, for organizing it, and Shraddha.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I think Parul is also there. I could see a lot of teachers have also joined in. So thank you. And I think we need to give such more platforms to our children who are so good. And God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Your art teachers also, I could see Manjri and all. There are a lot of your art teachers also, beta, who are learning from you. So very done. Superb. Fantastic. Love you.
You can show your work, Ridan. Show some work to ma'am if you have something around, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, respected principal ma'am, for this much appreciation. And now I'm going to show you some of my best works that I made.
Wow.
Like this cobra slinky.
Oh, this looks amazing. Beautiful. You're scaring the principal with a cobra, the first. Or you probably thought I'm a bio teacher, so chalo ma'am ko pehle saap hi dikhao.
Ma'am,
Oh,
most
God.
time-taking project. The Infinity Moving Kaleidoscope.
God. This looks as if a flower opening up, nahi? ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे कोई flower खुल रहा है. It's so beautiful. My God. Is it difficult?
Ma'am, super difficult.
Oh, can I learn it? मैं तो सीख जाऊंगी ना.
Ma'am, sure you can.
Okay. Oh, that's a dragon. So beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
He's making all our props for our annual day now. Oh, this is so cool. Very nice.
And ma'am, this pen stand.
This is good. This I can learn. This doesn't look too. These flowers look easy to me. This I can make.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
He will make it for you.
but actually, they are something harder. And this. This I
Oh,
made yesterday. only.
actually breathtaking. Oh, this looks like you can create a peacock from it. Very beautiful. A nice color combo. I liked. I liked the color combo, soft and pastel. Nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
I made this yesterday only.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. मेरा तो मन करा तुम दिखाते जाओ और हम देखते जाएं. We doesn't want it to stop. So
Ma'am,
yeah,
this
looks like a chime to
I
me.
also lying on the floor every day, so my mother converted them into a wall hanging.
Oh, this looks like a beautiful chime. You can hang it on a tree or something, right?
Yes,
Wow. Yeah, it's a nice. It's like a nice chime. Your mom is helping you. I could see.
And now this 3D origami whale.
Wow. Yeah. Looks quite real, huh? Oh, like with fins and all,
Ma'am,
scales and.
my favorite, the cute little minion.
This is what?
Minion.
Okay. This is a character, no?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे I have
Ma'am,
not been watching cartoon for quite some time, so मुझे सब भूल गया ये कौन-कौन से नए-नए characters आ गए हैं अब.
and ma'am, this I gifted my mother as a birthday gift for a birthday. This flower.
Oh wow. तो तुम कंजूस हो गए. तुम अच्छा है अपना घर पे फ्लावर बना के दे देते हो मॉम को. तुम्हें बाहर से नहीं खरीदने पड़ेंगे फ्लावर्स अब. That's a good idea.
And this lotus.
Yeah, very nice. It looks lot of layers and all that. Wonderful, yeah.
So many
Wonderful.
of them.
I know. Wonderful. God bless you, beta. Keep experimenting. Keep experimenting. नया ये कुछ ये दिखाओ ये क्या है? ये भी कुछ interesting लग रहा है मुझको.
This spring star.
Top. Okay. All right. Yeah.
And this fish.
Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Excellent.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Really proud of you.
And the bangle, which you can actually wear.
Bangle.
Oh, this is a bangle. Your dad will be very happy. He doesn't have to buy a gold or a diamond one for your mom.
Yes, ma'am.
So, all right. So तुम बहुत बढ़िया तुमने इंतजाम अच्छा कर दिया. मम्मा अब नहीं मांगेंगी. मम्मा जब भी मांगेंगी बैंगल लो भाई. क्या चाहिए लो. है ना? Very nice. Very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Indu, I think it was amazing. Wonderful, beta. I'm so proud. I feel like visiting your home one day and checking out on all. I think it's got a lot of stuff.
Sure, ma'am. That opportunity will come.
हम लोग बैठ के ये सब origami देखेंगे. मम्मा अच्छा सा कुछ snacks बनाएंगे हमारे लिए. ठीक है?
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, love you. खुश रहो बेटा. Wonderful. Thank you, Indu.
Thank
I
you,
think
ma'am.
it was very well.
Vedan, you can carry on with the second origami that you're going to teach.
Oh,
Thank
he's
you
at
so
the
much,
market.
ma'am.
Yes,
No,
he
I've got
has
a meeting.
planned too, ma'am.
I have a meeting lined up. Can I leave?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
I'll
for
be more
coming.
than happy. No. I mean, how
Thank
could
you
I
so
miss it?
much.
Such a
Thank you
pleasure.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you so
you,
much, ma'am.
Bye.
Your words will enlighten us and surely boost the morale
Oh,
of
no,
our children.
Shraddha. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me every day. She's been reminding for past month. Ma'am, kal aana hai, parso aana hai, No, today also she called me up and thank you.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. It's our pleasure.
Yeah, no,
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
my
ma'am,
pleasure.
for coming.
My pleasure too. Thank you. Bye-bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. So, Indu ma'am, can we start again?
Yes, please.
So, children,
Vedan?
are you ready
Now
for the
you
second
start
item?
your second item.
Okay, the snail. We are going to make a snail. So let's begin. I know you have two circles, the big one and the small one. Show me your circles on the screen. Yes, very good. Now what you have to do is just take the big circle and fold it in half like this. Look, it will be a standing line here and a curve here. Just show me when you have folded it in half. Very good. Now, keep the big circle aside and take the small circle and the sketch pen, whatever you have, and draw a spiral on it. Mine is not looking good, but I know you will make it very nice. I have full faith in you. Now, what do you do? Is that you have this big circle. Just stop what you are doing and first see mine. I just take the small circle, the big circle, and the glue. I just keep the big circle like right here and put some glue here. And now you take the small circle but you paste it with the end. आपको बीच में नहीं चिपकाना है. You paste it on the end. Like this. You will have the small space left here. Now just do it. I'm waiting. Very nice. Nice. Well done. Now, what do you do is, I know you have your rectangle strips ready. Just show me. Nice. Now, what do you do is turn your model upside down. Usko ulta karo and put some glue right here. And paste your strip in a slanting shape like this. A slanting shape, not in a standing line or sleeping line. It should be a slanting line like this. Look. Now do the same thing with the other one. Put some glue here and paste this, but in a slanting shape, not in a straight shape. It should be like a V shape. A V shape it is, है ना? Just show me what you have done. Okay.
Wow, very nice.
Now what do? You take your
Please unmute
circle
yourself.
and outline it. This is for the eyes. Outline it with the sketch pen or pen you have. Oh, mine just fell. Look. And now what do? Is just draw a D in between. Like this. And now what you do is just put a dot in the middle of our D. Like this. Our eyes are ready. And now what we have to do is just ready our second eye. which I've done already. So I am just waiting for you to finish. Okay. And now what you have to do is paste, put some glue on the top of the rectangle strip and paste both of the eyes we have made. Like this, the D, just wait a minute, I am just doing, I will show you how you have to do it. The D should look like this. Yes, our snail is ready, but it's missing something.
हो गया.
What it's missing? Yes, the smile what we all Japurians have. Let me just draw it. And our snail is ready. Yes.
Wow.
Wonderful.
Great
Divyanshi is also
work.
done. Wonderful. Divyanshi, Riyansh, they all have done.
Samrit, very good.
Anaya, Kashika,
Very good,
wonderful.
Vaishnavi.
Akshar,
But just
beautiful.
see. But just see.
Very good, Yashika.
Ikaksh,
Okay, Avishka. Nice.
Ahan is also showing. Very nice.
Vaishnavi, great.
Anhata.
All of you hold it in your hand and show it. All of you hold it in your hand. Let's see.
Nice,
All of you
Ananta.
please
Very
hold it in
nice.
your hand.
But wait, it's a good friend as well. Like I am bored.
Wow.
We can just play with it like this. Oh, mine
Very
is-
nice.
But we can play with
Very
it like
nice.
this.
Wow.
Oh, it's moving.
Good, Samaira. Very nice, beta. Kashika, good.
Now, just take both of your items in your hand and let ma'am click a picture of this.
Yes, I will click.
We can
Come on,
have a
everyone.
Davvinci, very
Children,
nice.
hold
Very
both the
nice,
items.
everyone. Show
Yes.
it to us.
Photo frame and snail, both. Yes, very good.
Kaprit's photo frame is so cute.
Even Naira's.
Ah,
Very beautiful.
Samaira, Naira,
Naisha also has put a picture.
Kashika,
Ahan's snail is beautiful. Ahan, show me a snail.
Ananta.
Very good.
Very nice.
Very
Pars,
nice.
Vedant, show one more time.
Avishka, very nice, beta.
Akshar.
Very nice.
Akshar has also done a good job.
Great, Shivin. Ekansh. Lovely.
Aisha also
Janshi.
has put her picture in the photo.
Yeah.
Ananya, very nice.
Even Tashvi has put a photo.
Huh? Aryan also has done it.
Good, great.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Parul, yours is also very good. Parul, look at.
Thank you. I'll paste a picture.
Very beautiful.
And now for the third item, I'm just sharing a link in the chat box. Just watch it, and if you have many doubts for the two things we have made, you will get those also. You can clear it from the video. I'm just pasting it. And if you like this, just hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more origami models like this.
Children, you can watch the YouTube channel where he explains everything, how step by step how origami is done. You can watch there and copy from there. You can learn from there. It is very, very good channel. So subscribe that channel so that you get your notifications and you can keep watching it. Okay?
Yes.
Vedant, show item number 3 also. Your bunny.
End product you can show.
Yes, the last one.
Third item we are gonna make is the bunny, my favorite.
So cute.
I think everybody has done.
महेंद्र सबको अनम्यूट कर दो एक बार विजय ताकि बच्चे बोल तो सके बेचारे.
Please tell us.
Children, did you enjoy the session?
They're calling each other.
Very nice.
So nice to hear you.
So excited.
Nice, Tashi. Very beautiful bunny you have already made.
Wow, Varnika. Nice, Varnika.
Tashvi has done a good job.
Tashi has made a very beautiful bunny.
Beautiful one, yeah.
भैया को थैंक यू कितने सारे मिले. सबको भी अच्छा लगा आपको सिखा के, पता है भैया ने भी बहुत एंजॉय किया.
That is very nice.
आप लोगों को वेट कर रहा था कि कब आप लोग आओगे.
Nice, Amima. Nice.
Amima, very beautiful.
Beautiful, Amima.
Beautiful.
Suryaksh, it's beautiful,
Amima, very
Suryaksh.
nice.
Very nice. Very nice. Very
You have done a
nice.
good job.
Nice, Ruhika. It's good.
Vyaksh, very beautiful work you have done. Very nice. We're very proud of you.
Arnav has also done. Great, Arnav. Great. Good work. Good work.
Very nice, Aradhya. Very good.
आपको पता है इंदु मैम ने हमारे लिए छोटी बीबीज के लिए मैं आपके लिए एक वर्कशॉप करवाऊंगी. एंड सी कितना फ्रूटफुल रहा. मजा आया ना सबको.
बोलो बच्चे.
Good, Aradhya. Very good. Aradhya, very good. Very good, Aradhya.
बीमारी ऐसी है बाद में हो जाओगे. वही करा
नींद इसलिए नहीं करा रही, मैंने कहा उनको उनके थोड़े मन की निकल जाए बेचारों की. Hi children. Bye Ashmi.
Thank you, ma'am.
showing
Thank you so
flowers.
much.
Thank you, Ridan.
Thank you, Ridan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ridan.
Ashmi is showing a bunny with flowers.
Tashvi, very nice.
Very good, Tashvi. Oh, what's that? That was a gun.
Thank you, Ridan. Thank you. Ma'am, what is the item 3?
Bunny. Third item is bunny.
It was a bunny, we did not teach it. It's a bunny rabbit.
Oh my God, Ashley has so many things to show.
Look at this gun, na? It is looking beautiful. Have you made it yourself? Avyansh?
I've made it his brother.
Oh, that's great.
Divyansh.
Beautiful. Made out of paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Flower.
Very nice, Tashi. Very nice flower you made.
So they all have kept things with them, huh? Whatever they have made.
Very easy.
Very nice.
Nice doll. Nice doll.
Ruhika, very nice.
Children, Ridan has given one YouTube link where all the 3 items are there. So you can follow. Yes. You can watch that YouTube link and follow the instructions.
Now I
You
think
can
they need to be
three
muted, no?
items.
If you want to speak.
Yes, Shraddha ma'am, you
Thank you. Dear children, Ridan has given you one YouTube link and you can follow, you can watch that link. You will follow the instruction. Three items were there. Yeah, and you can prepare that. I'm sure everybody is having that link and I'm sure everybody liked this workshop, Ridan's performance and presentation. And thank you so much. I extend my thanks to each and everyone for being part of this workshop and making it convenient to take place. Thank you, Indu ma'am. It's your support only. It's your kind support. The things are possible, and we can hold this workshop successfully.
My
Thank you
special
so
thanks to
much.
Ridan, I would say.
Yes,
Special
and
thanks to Ridan.
Special thanks
Who
to
made it-
Ridan and Ridan's mother who cooperated us a lot. And she has been doing a lot since the last 3-4 days for Ridan's work.
Thanks all my teachers and my mother wants to say something for you.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thanks to respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Manju Rana, Mrs. Indu Kohli Ma'am, Mrs. Parul Mittal Ma'am, and the class teacher, Mrs. Shraddha Ma'am, for providing this platform to Ridan to showcase his talent. I would also like to thank the entire team of wonderful teachers of Jaipuria School, who all were working for the success of this session for grade 1. And thanks for all your love and support. This love and support will act as an ever-glowing flame of motivation for my ward, Ridan Verma. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Same here, I would say. The support is always needed, throughout to groom our children, basically, for our children. We need to work as partners.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you, beta Ridan.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Shraddha.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
For hosting it.
I'm really obliged.
Thank
It's
you,
your
Indu.
support, it's your kind effort that we have done this, ma'am.
We just thought so and you made it possible. That's the most important. Parul, Kumud, thank you so much.
No, ma'am.
All
it was your-
Priyanka and all have been an integral part with us. Rekha
Thank you, Rekha, ma'am.
has been supporting us throughout, and all the class of our teachers who have motivated children. We got a good response also.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for doing. A workshop becomes interesting when people attend it, It is the students who attended made it possible for us, It was beautifully done. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody, I would say. And we will keep having such workshops.
Yeah, we want more students to come up with
हमारा
this.
रुदान तो स्टार परफॉर्मर है ही है हमारा.
Next time we'll have for senior students also, for our wing also, 4 and 5.
For only for our wing, for class 4 and 5.
बहुत सारे मैथ्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिलेट होते हैं विद ओरिगामी. So it's always better to have workshop. So we'll have a talk with him later on. एक बार एक Zoom करेंगे. अभिनव सर को ले आएंगे so that you can all decide कि हम किस टॉपिक पे क्या कर सकते हैं. We'll talk to Ridan accordingly.
Origami is just like maths. If you are not able to understand anything, you practice in your book and you get it. It's like that only. First you make some things and then you keep that improving.
That's true. Because maths is hands-on basically.
Yes.
So that will really help us.
Thank you, Ridan. You are amazing.
Yes. Yeah, Ridan.
Great job. Great work.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we end the meeting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Indu ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Parul ma'am. And thanks, Ridan. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I love you. Feel proud, really proud today. Bye. Bye, bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.